Today we are doing the blind goggles here that we made. We hit this yesterday with flex tape. Then we drew some shit on there, some advertisement.
Yeah, dead stop. Let's get it.
Then, yeah, you can't see through them at all. So your boy behind the camera, he will be.
What's good?
That guy right there, he'll be guiding me. I'll be having my AirPods in. We're gonna be on a phone call. I'm gonna go all the way down that way. Then I'm gonna come back all the way down to where that white truck's at.
Yeah, no vision, no vision.
I'm very bad at the whole like talking to the camera thing. So actually, I guess you can shine this through that.
Yeah, look, it's even worse than yesterday, but at least you could see the logo. Yeah.
That's directly in the sun.
Dude, that's horrible.
I can't see out of them at all. Like you can't even see out of like the bottom or the sides or anything.
What's up?
What's up?
I can hear you. I can hear you loud and clear. Alright, I'll put this in my bucket. Putting them on. Alright.
Okay.
I'm coming.
Alright.
Yeah, I'm coming. I can't see anything.
Okay, so you gotta turn, let me see, you gotta turn left. And now straight. Turn a little right.
Alright.
And now you're straight on me. Maybe turn a little bit more right. Yeah. Let's get you back more in the middle. And now straight. You're doing good. Yeah, keep going.
Am I going straight?
Yeah, you're straight. Yeah, you're doing good. Maybe pick up the pace just a little bit. You're starting to drift over, so do right. Right. No, left, my bad. Sorry. Left. A little bit right. Now you're going straight towards me. Do a little bit of left. Right, 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 right. Right. Yeah. Right, right. And now go. So you're going a little bit straighter now. Okay. You're doing good. You're pretty close to me.
Am I straight?
Left. Now you're straight. Keep coming. Over kind of towards me, my voice a little bit more. Okay, and now let's go over, just my voice over here now. And now you're going straight, a little bit more towards me. Okay, that's good. And now you're getting pretty close to those trucks. But I'd stop here, there's a car coming as well. Spooky.
Alright, this is the wheelie test, blinded. We're gonna do circle wheelies with these on, and with no guidance. Maybe some echolocation.
Okay. Maybe do one without them. Get the feeling back.
Side
Yeah.
of you when I'm coming around this way. I don't know if I'm going straight or I'm still in a circle.
Yeah, you lose that kind of angle.
When I get on a downhill, it tends to want to straighten the bike out and slope.
Oh, okay. I just saw a white car for a second. We're good.
Okay. I'll give it a couple more tries, but I'm pretty much just crossing my fingers and hoping I don't run into anything.
Hey, that one was good.
Hold those. I'll do some actual cool shit real quick.
Yeah, for the actual YouTube fall, like a 60x9. Oh fuck! Yeah. I think that was the best fall it could have taken if it were to fall.
Yeah, I was gonna say the clutch moved a little. Pipe might have got scratched. No, I think it was just a back fender.
No, like
it was this side that hit. Well, I got lucky.
Yeah, it looks like this kind of came out. Or no, that's fine right there. I don't know. I mean, nothing happened really. How's your clutch levers bent? Looks like this kind of. That's it.
I went to go hit the thing, it went like this. I was on the edge of it, it went.
They just.
Yeah, I went to go give it throttle, I grabbed the brake and it was like that. I'm like, oh.
Oh man.
I tried to like push the bike out too and it didn't work.
Whoop. It's like a crime scene.
I know, but worse.
Oh.
Alright.
It was good, dude.
I can hear you.
What's good?
You're on a phone call here? Alright. I'm gonna turn you all the way up.
Okay.
Alright. You're gonna be my eyes.
I got you, dude.
Okay.
How is it all the way down there? Here, let's see. Let's see if we can see him down there.
Yeah, dude.
How you doing?
Alright. This is sketchy, dude. I'm like action pose. It's like throwing me off my balance.
Yeah, that's what I was thinking, like, because I was thinking we were going to start off with the quad.
Oh, Jesus Christ.
No, you got that.
Alright, tell me.
Okay, I can see, okay, you're good. You're not drifting.
Going straight?
Yeah, you're going straight. You're not drifting towards any corners. You're still near the center.
Oh, Jesus.
Oh, shit, wait, okay, turn away from the bottom of the hill. Yep, that way, yeah.
Right or left? Okay.
Okay, wait, I gotta figure out what your right, okay, so that's your right, okay.
It's gonna be opposite to you.
Okay, so now you're going straight, you're going straight. Turn right.
Alright.
Now straight, that's straight.
Okay.
Okay. You're looking good, you're looking good. Turn right. Just a little, okay, straight. Left, a little down. There, stay there.
I feel like I'm on a downhill.
Yeah, you are on a downhill. Just a slight downhill on the road. Okay, turn right. And, okay, straight. There you go. That's looking good. Okay. Turn right. And now straight. Oh, right. Holy shit.
I still don't even know what I was gonna hit.
You're gonna hit the curb. I'm pretty close to you now. Hey, I'm like way close. Okay. How you doing, bro?